Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm going to show you how I made these lovely little lemon meringue tarts. I started with a batch of my Sweetcrust pastry recipe. I'll put the link down below so you can have a look. Using a crinkle cutter, I cut circles just a little bit bigger than the dints in my shallow tart tin. Then pushed them down so that there was no air between the pastry and the tin. A little prick with a fork to stop it expanding too much, and after a 5-minute chill in the freezer, I brushed each one with a bit of egg wash. I then set these aside to cool while I made the meringue topping. I always find it a good idea to wipe round a bowl with half a lemon. This makes sure that the bowl is squeaky clean. Then in with the egg whites and a little cream of tartar. Now once these eggs get frothy, I'm starting to add the caster sugar, little by little, on a medium whisk. Can't add too much at once, because this might spoil the meringue. I'll speed this bit up a little bit, so you can see the results. Once all the sugar is in, it needs to be whisked and whisked until it forms stiff peaks, and when you rub a little bit between your fingers you can't feel the sugar at all. It's beautifully smooth. Then you know it's ready. So back to those tart cases, and the rest is really easy. I've got some homemade lemon curd here. Again, I'll put the recipe down below for you. You can of course use shop bought, but I do like the homemade. It's got a beautiful tang to it. About a teaspoon in each little shell. And then I smooth it round a little bit to make sure it covers the base. And then all that's left to do is to pipe the meringue straight down from the top, a little star on each one. I like to leave a little bit of the yellow lemon curd showing. I do think the contrast between the white and the yellow looks quite pretty. You need to do this just before you're going to serve. These are best served fresh. Then into the oven just to toast the top, and they're ready to serve. Thanks for popping round to watch. Take care, and I'll catch you next week.